Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like I'm just filming Zenpop boxes right now, but it's more, there's like an influx of them coming through, so I'm like, I'm just gonna film them because I said I would. And yeah, so just, ooh, okay. Like, does anyone ever get anything different than Lucky Loser? I feel like that's pretty much all we're ever gonna get. So alrighty. Oh, okay. This is like a deco tape. Yes, it's deco tape. Nice. Actually, I'll try this out at the end of the video when I test any pens. Yes, I do have a pen in here. Ooh, actually, it's like, when I see something I recognize, I'm like, oh, I actually already have this pen, but I actually don't remember if it came in Zenpop last time or not. It's my actual go-to ballpoint pen right now. It's literally sitting on my desk. I use it every single day, and I love it because it's so smooth, buttery. It is 0.7, so it is much thicker than what I used to use, but I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll test these two together. We have this really cute kitten eraser. Open her up so you can have a closer look, so it's not so much shine from the light. Okay, it's got a little hole. Okay, I think it's like pieces that come, oh my gosh, I just took a head off. You can take the body off as well, but essentially that's what the cat looks like. So cute. And I don't know anyone in their right mind who would use these erasers. Like, these are just more ornamental pieces, right? Like, how could you use these? We have washi tape, which is, oh, it's like a little, this theme is cat, isn't it? I just like realized now, I didn't even bother to really check, but how cute is that? The cutest little kitten faces with foiling on them. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's open it up. I sometimes think though, when I open the washi tape up, like, is it kind of pointless? Because it's hard to see unless you like pull the tape out, right? Maybe I'll pull the tape out. Just don't like wasting it, but I'm not really wasting it. Okay, can you see how cute that is? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And a little paw and a little tongue. This is so cute. All right, watch me try to save the washi tape. Okay, not perfect, but good enough. We have this really cute letter set as well. That's adorable. Oh, and we have like 2 sets of stickers. I mean, I feel really spoiled for choice. Let me pull them out so you don't get the reflection. You're still going to kind of get the reflection because of the paper, the backing sticker paper, but this is all washi paper cat stickers. Okay, you guys know I love washi paper stickers because I use them in my Hobonichi. This is not, this is plastic. So, but it's still pretty thin. It'd be easier if I put it down. You know what? How's that? Oh my gosh, that's so much better without the ring light. I should have been doing this without the ring light the whole time. The problem is just if I film at night, that's why I have the ring light set up now, but I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna try to film these during the day as much as I can. It's just challenging, but that's so much better. And how clear is that? Though I really like the paper it comes into because it has all the shapes of the stickers. It's kind of cute. I need the box actually. I don't think I need it. I've got 2 more items. One is like a folder. Okay, so you've got like a lid here. Oh, that closes it, and then you've got. Oh wait, okay. It's like 2 little flaps. One here, one on the side. 1, 2, 3. 3 slots. That's interesting. I don't know why there's so many, maybe it's just to stop spillage, but it's a nice size. Like, it's enough to hold all the sticker sheets that I use personally, Hobonichi Week sticker sheets, just all sorts, so I really like this. My problem is that I tend to overstuff these. And then, oh, okay, this, I'm actually kind of like this. This is a notebook. This is cat, but I think it's a journaling notebook because you can put dates on the sides here. See the dates? It's in Japanese, but it's just like date and then something against it. I really like this, and it's like a decent size. A lot of the notebooks I feel like I get in these boxes are just like these tiny, tiny little notebooks, and I'm like, I don't know, like I find those kind of hard to use often. Like I have a few, but it's nice to have some like more realistic, just like notebooks that are easy to write in. And personally, when I buy notebooks, I tend to buy around this size. Okay, let's go test out the tape and the pen. All right, so first, this pen is BLEN. I don't know what brand that is. I'm so used to like Pilot and Pentels, but this is definitely a different one. And I don't know if it's going to communicate well, but it is 0.7 millimeters, black ink. But can you tell, just writes so smooth. It's like so smooth. It's actually a joy to write with. So that's why it's like the main one I keep on my desk to write with. And I'm really glad to get another one because, I mean, I would probably just look for refills when I run out, but it's nice to have a second one to maybe put in my travel bag now. Okay. And then we have this little deco tape that I will test here. Oh, that's cute. Have we repeated? Okay, kind of repeating now. That is so cute. Deco tape is really like thin as well. It's like thinner than washi tape. So if you want something to decorate your journals but don't want to add bulk, highly recommend using a deco tape. All right, so that's everything in, I think this is April's Zenpop box. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be honest, Zenpop actually recently reached out offering to provide boxes ahead of time so I could feature them on my channel. I know that I've done collaborations with them in the past, and now I'm buying everything by myself. I actually turned down the collaboration because I just didn't want the pressure of having to upload these videos when I had to, because that's usually when you do collaborations with brands. There's obviously some, there's some like rules you have to follow, right? When you upload, all that sort of stuff. But I'm really enjoying the Zenpop. Like I feel like I've renewed my love for Zenpop, and they were just so nice in the email, very accepting with the fact that I said, you know what, I'd actually rather just keep buying the boxes myself. One, I get more control over when I upload because my schedule is obviously really busy with work, baby, everything, life. And sticker shop and that sort of thing. So I just don't really need the additional restrictions right now. But they were so generous. So they've gifted me an additional few boxes. But I think after that, I'm just going to renew it. I might just keep going with it. I haven't really gotten any bad feedback from you guys. Like everyone seems fine for me to keep going. And right now I'm feeling pretty happy about Zenpop. So I think I'm going to stick to just one subscription box. I think I went through a phase where I was doing like 3 subscription boxes, but to be fair, I was uploading like twice a week. I've got a pretty okay schedule right now, about once every 2 weeks. I really would love to ramp it up, but I want to like stick to this schedule for like a solid amount of time, like 6 months plus, knowing that I can maintain it, and then I'll see how things go. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, to be transparent, you know what's happening, because I wouldn't be offered any of these opportunities without this channel, without you guys watching. So I feel like I just want to include you guys on the journey. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.